Warm greetings to one and all present here. Let me introduce about myself. My name is Mr. A. Jasmine Anthony Raj, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to see about the subject design thinking. Under design thinking, the topic is challenge brief. So here challenges means generally what are the problem we are facing to overcome that problem. So what are the stages we are going to take? That is a general concepts. Next one. So by having an introductions, let me get into the topic that. So here it is what is a challenge brief in design thinking. It is a questions where we can able to understand means it is nothing but it is called as a design challenge or a problem brief, where it will be in a reference document, so that it can be able to understand by studying the document. We can able to understand what is the problem and what are the opportunities we are going to give the solutions to solve the design thinking process. Next one. So here I can able to represent you the major challenges of a design thinking. So I can able to give you the representations of a 5 stages of a design thinking process. So we can already we have revised the design thinking stages of 5 are the design thinking stages. So and what are the advantages of using the design thinking approaches in order to give the solutions for a particular problem. Next one. So also here I can able to give you the design thinking informations, where we can able to have a design spark. Challenges can be overcome by using a design thinking concepts. Next one. So here it is also can able to give you the other meanings of that is a challenge brief is a short document or a statement that can be able to define so what is the problem or what are the opportunities that can be able to give to the designing team, so that will be able to address during the design thinking process. Next one. It is purpose to frame the problem clearly and meaningfully. It is used to align the team around the common goal. So there will be a team for working for this design thinking process. So here there will be a problem framing the problem clearly and meaningfully, so that it can be able to understand and we can able to inspire a creativity and a user-centered innovation. So here we can able to give a solutions which will be in a creativity manner, and it will be in an user creativity innovations method. The solutions can be solved. Next one. What are the key components? So key components of a challenge brief is first we need to check the background and context. So here if you want to check the background means, so we need to explain the situations or motivations behind the challenge. So if you are facing the challenge, first we need to check what are the situations of the particular challenge and how can we able to give the context for the problem, and how can we able to expect the solutions. So examples here we can able to check the urban commutators face long wait time for a public transportation. So here we cannot able to have a frequent transportations problem over in an urban areas for the public. Next one. Challenge statement. So here a clear user focused questions that guides the project is called as a challenge statements of a problem statement. Here format will be how might we help the users to achieve the goals in order to get the benefit. Examples. How might we help a daily computer reduce the stress while waiting for the public transports. Here target users. So we need to check to whom the solution is being addressed or in stakeholders. So for that, so we need to identify who you are designing for and their needs. Examples. Office workers, students or elderly computers. So here we can able to have to check the goals and expected outcomes. Here our outcome is nothing but an goals and outcome is nothing but an what does the success looks like. So here that is called as an goal. Examples, we can able to improve the user satisfactions or and reducing a waiting anxiety. So here we have to give the satisfactions to the users one who is using our solutions, and we have to reduce the waiting anxiety, so that we have to give the clear solutions soon. Next one. What are the constraints and resources? So here constraints means it is nothing but an outline limits like an budget, technology or a time frame. So how far we can able to frame the budget to give the solutions, and what are the technology we are going to use, and what is the time frame will be taken to give the solutions. So let us give an examples. It must be implemented within the existing transport infrastructure. So here we cannot able to give an extreme transport information. So that should be matched with the real time transporting infrastructures. Let me thank you one and all for giving me this golden opportunities. Let me meet you in another sessions. Thank you.